process that we do here is not that complicated, but I can promise you this. If you don't pick up the phone and call me, we can't get started. Number here is 1-800-BANKRUPT or 424-3116 from the 423 area code. Pick up the phone, call us, make a free consultation appointment, come in, you'll fill out some simple paperwork, you'll come talk to me about your situation. We'll analyze it, spend some time talking about your possible options. And if you choose to file a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy, then what you'll do is you'll get some simple information together for me, like your 09 tax return or your most recent tax return. Sometimes we need two, but usually it's just one. Your most recent pay stub, if you get a pay stub. If you don't get a pay stub, we may just need some basic income history. And we also need to get your driver's license and your Social Security card, just to verify that you are who you say you are. With all this new Homeland Security issue, sometimes it's good to have to make things go smoothly at the courthouse when you go meet with your trustee. So we get the paperwork together, you come back, you meet with a paralegal in my office who sits down and gets all your information. She inputs it into the proper forms. It'll take you about an hour, maybe an hour and a half with her to get it all done. But once it's done, I tell folks oftentimes the hard part's over. I review the paperwork, make sure that it complies with the procedural requirements in the law, and then we will file it with the court after you sign it. At that point, you'll get a creditor's meeting, which is just a meeting with your trustee who's appointed to oversee your case. And I'll go with you to that meeting. It'll be about 4 weeks after you sign your paperwork. He'll go over it, make sure everything's in order. At that point, if you're in a Chapter 13 repayment plan, you'll be making payments for a period of months. If you're in a Chapter 7, you'll have to make sure you get your second credit counseling done over the internet. It's a simple 2-hour presentation that you must watch. And you can do it at my office if you don't have access at home. I got a room set up for you. Just come in. We'll make you an appointment. You can do it. And you complete that. If you're in a Chapter 7, from that point forward, you're probably just waiting for your discharge. The paper signed by the judge that says your debts are gone. If you're in a 13, you just continue to make your payments. And if your circumstances change, well, you come back in and talk to me, and maybe we can change your payment or fix your paperwork to where you can continue in your case without a hiccup. The goal in both the cases is to get the discharge. In 7, 90 days. In 13, anywhere from 36 to 60 months, depending on what you need. It's pretty streamlined. There are steps you must comply with. We make sure you comply with all of them to make sure your case is successful. And we're here 6 days a week. If you need anything or can't get off during the week, come see us on Saturdays.